Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Yewande Adekoya?
Hello everyone. Something just happened to me right now and I think I need to share this with you guys. I don't know if you're also aware of it.
A sì máa fún wa ní àǹfààní láti wo full video náà. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí òṣèré yìí? Mo lérò pé gbogbo yín sì rántí Kudi Clecto. Òun ló ń jẹ́ Yewande Adekoya. Kí ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ sí o? Mo ti sọ tẹ́lẹ̀ wípé ká gbìyànjú láti máa gbàdúrà fún àwọn òṣèré wa, láti máa fi ọ̀rọ̀ wọn sí àdúrà torí àwọn ìṣòro tí ó ń dojúkọ wọn. Ká gbìyànjú láti máa bá wọn gbàdúrà, ká máa fi àdúrà ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká fún yín ní full video náà kẹ́ lè wò ó dáadáa, kẹ́ lè gbádùn rẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ká tó play video náà, tó bá jẹ́ ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ tí ẹ ń wo video wa nìyí, ẹ jọ̀wọ́ ẹ tẹ subscribe button láti máa rí púpọ̀ lára àwọn fídíò wa wò. Ojú tí ẹ fi ń wò wá kò ní fọ́, etí tí ẹ fi ń gbọ́ wa kò ní di láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ọpẹ́ ọmọ Ajíbóyè lórúkọ tèmi. Ẹ kú dédé wò níbi kí bá ti wò wá. Nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi, ó yá ẹ wo fídíò náà báyìí.
Hello everyone. Something just happened to me right now and I think I need to share this with you guys. I don't know if you're also aware of it, but a bag of Gary is now 80,000 naira. Is Gary not meant to be a poor man's food or an average Nigerian's food, like you know, our safety food, like when you don't have money as a you drink Gary. But if Gary itself is now 80,000 naira per bag, so how will the poor man survive now? If this is how it's going to be, if the poor man can no longer afford to buy Gary, something has happened though. Something has happened.
Auntie, what are you doing?
I'm making a video to tell them about the.
Auntie, something has happened.
What happened?
The Gary, half bag of Gary sent me to buy the Gary pot. The Gary pot.
Half bag of Gary?
Yes.
Hold on. Gary Nanu.
Yes. I don't know. Auntie, please wake up.
Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ kí a gbọ́ láburú sí àwọn òṣèré wa. Ó dìgbà.